Hello friends, this is Abhinav and you're watching Java Programming Tutorials. In the last video, I showed you how to use operators and the conditional statements, if else. This time it's the loops. So go ahead and create a new class. I'm gonna name it let me think, loop test. Public static void main string args. So what loop does, you can get by the name. So there are three major types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So let me show you syntax for a simple for loop. For int a equals 0 semicolon a less than equal to 100 in a plus plus. By the way, it's an increment operator. It increases the value of a by 1 every time. So this is a simple for loop. In for loop, there is this assignment, and then there's condition and updation. Assignment, condition, updation, all three are together, and the loop will go on until the condition is true. So the initial value of a is 0, and it will go until a gets 100. Let's try printing a, and you can see in the console printed out all the numbers from all the whole numbers till 100, that is from 0 till 100. So you can use loops to do exciting things also. You can combine loops with if statements, the conditionals. I'm gonna tell you about another arithmetic operator, modulus. A module. So now if you want to find out all the numbers, firstly let's change a to 1. You want to find out all the numbers between 1 to 100 which are divisible by 4. Whenever you hear the word divisible by, that means you're gonna use modulus. Modulus, what modulus does is it finds out the remainder. So if I write 10 mod 4, then it will return 2, because 4 times 2 is 8, and 10 minus 8 is 2, so the remainder is 2. If I write it 3 times 3 is 9, and 10 minus 1, 9 is 1, so 10 mod 3 equals, let me show in the comments, 10 mod 3 equals 1. The same way 100 mod 30 equals 10. So now my question, what is 50 mod 9? Just think, what will you get after when you divide 50 by 9? What will the remainder left? Yeah, you got it right. It's 5. So let's delete this stuff. Go back to it. Now, if you want to print all the numbers between 1 to 100 which are divisible by 4 or 3 or whatever you want, you just write down this variable over here as if a modulus 3 equals 0, and just print out system.out.print. Wait, sorry. Println a. So now it will print all the multiples of 3 till 100. As you can see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on till 99. You can change it to 4. 4 to 8, 12, 16 till 100. You can do pretty good stuff also. You can find even numbers like all the even numbers between 1 to 100. Look, that's printed all the even numbers. Even numbers, is 2. Anything divided by 2. So these are the things for loop. So that's it for the loops. Wait, that's not it. It's just a for loop. Let's talk about the while loop. In the for loop, the assignment, the condition, and the updation all are written in one place. While in while loop, all of these are scattered. So let's go ahead and write the same code using while loop. Firstly, let me change this to comment so that it doesn't bother me in the future. By the way, this green thing, when it changes to green, it shows that it's comment and it's gonna be ignored. So in while loop, the assignment is written before the while loop. Int a equals 1 semicolon. The condition is written within parentheses beside the while keyword. So let's write it down as less than equal to 100. Then you write down the body. I'm just copying and pasting it. And at last, within the while